Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the primary Google account with an active YouTube TV subscription and the email addresses of people you'll add. Once those are ready, open YouTube TV on the web or mobile app and sign in as the primary account holder. Make sure location services are on and that your billing region matches the household. Now navigate to Settings, because the next step is inviting family members. This is where you create the household group and authorize sharing. Once in Settings, select Membership or Household to manage family sharing. Click Add Family Member or Invite, enter each person's email address and send the invitations. They must accept using their own Google accounts. While sending invites, choose member roles and permissions, decide if they can use DVR, create libraries, and stream simultaneously. Make sure recipients accept promptly, because invites can expire. After they accept, verify each added device under the household list to confirm streaming limits are respected. Finish by testing. Have each family member sign in, open YouTube TV, and confirm streaming, DVR access, and personalized recommendations work. If someone can't join, first resend the invite or remove and re-add them from settings. Make sure their Google account has no family manager conflicts and that location settings allow household sharing. A frequent fix is updating the app or browser and confirming everyone's billing region matches the household. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.